This home was recently completely remodeled, and it's absolutely gorgeous. What's not to love about this place? My name is Susan McCallion. I'm with McCallion and McCallion Real Estate, and this is my listing. It's gorgeous, and I'm gonna spend a little bit of time talking to you about my favorite features. What I love about this home and other ground homes like it is the indoor-outdoor living that you get. You can easily enjoy cocktails and dinner inside, some socializing time, and then walk outside and you still have this living space outside. Now at this home, they've redone the patio area, the pool, and they have an outside kitchen. It's so luxurious feeling, it's so tranquil, and a wonderful place to either entertain with friends or just kick back and have some time by yourself. The sellers used designer Beverly Bowman. She picked out amazing countertop material, the cabinets which are brand spanking new, all the appliances. She matched it just perfectly with this home. And what I love about her design is that she brought in two really spacious, functional, easy living areas that adjoin this kitchen. You'll see on one side we've got a family room where you could have family members either in your immediate family or guests staying with you. They could be watching TV, they could be playing games. And then you've got this beautiful room over here. The living room is inviting for reading, for quiet time, for socializing with immediate family or neighbors or friends. So what I love about having two living spaces, coming from the perspective of a mom of 4 children, having 2 dogs, a husband, a mom, lots of people in and out of my house all the time, the two living spaces gives you a little bit of separation so that you can enjoy your time however you see fit. The primary bedroom is on the right-hand side, and you'll see that there's beautiful sliding glass doors that lead out to the patio area. The primary bathroom is beautiful, totally redone. I love the materials that they chose. I absolutely adore the shower. I'd like to have one in my bathroom as well. Thanks so much for joining me today. If you'd like a tour of this home, give me a call. My name is Susan McCallion. I'm at 239-472-1950, and I'm with McCallion and McCallion Real Estate.